Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find quarantine emails in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook web app by heading to outlook.cloud.microsoft in your browser. Once your email has loaded, you're ready to access your quarantine messages. Now here's where you'll actually find those quarantine emails. Open a new browser tab and navigate to security.microsoft.com. This will take you to the Microsoft Defender dashboard page, which is where all your email security settings and quarantine messages are managed. This is an important security feature that helps protect your inbox from potentially harmful or suspicious emails that Microsoft has automatically filtered out. Once you're on the Microsoft Defender dashboard, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll see several options listed there. Look for and click on the Email and Collaboration tab. This section is specifically designed to manage all aspects of your email security and collaboration tools within the Microsoft ecosystem. After clicking on Email and Collaboration, a new set of options will appear beneath it. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Review. Go ahead and click on it. This review section gives you access to various email management and monitoring features that help you oversee what's happening with your messages. Within the review options, you'll now see a quarantine option available. Click on this and you'll be directed to your quarantine email list. This is the central hub where all your quarantine emails are stored and waiting for your review. And there you have it. You're now viewing a complete list of all emails that have been quarantined. From this page, you can review each message, determine whether it's legitimate or actually spam, and decide whether to release it to your inbox or delete it permanently. This quarantine system is your safety net, catching potentially dangerous emails before they reach your main inbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.